And we're off. BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Oh, wow. We're really up here now. Why try? Oh no, why? This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. No fright or hindsight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Start a new chapter, I'll find what I'm after. It's changing every day. Change of the seasons, enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand, my life begins today. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. Hikes. All right. Let's see then. How do we get back home? BOOZHOO. Just thought I'd step outside and put out a little tobacco. Pray for the Creator's help. I need His help to speak well tonight. Mino onagoshin. Good evening. Gakina awiya. Good evening, everybody. Osema. The sacred medicine known as tobacco. Medicine, how dare you, NANABOOZHOO? Tobacco, it's killed so many people. Yeah, okay. But it's also a medicine. And so, before I start to pray, I always say, Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Gitchi manadu. Daga odapanan niwi asema. Please, help me to speak well tonight. Daga, we do kawishan on do minaway dibakong. Thank you for everything that you do. Miigwech ka iji ka kina gegu ka iji chikean. Thank you for my life. Miigwech ka iji bamadaziyan. Thank you for that old hippie Diane. Miigwech, that old hippie Diane. Bonjour, Diane. Nice to see you. And, you know, thanks for listening. Miigwech gabizen dawi egg. Amen. Apeyenge. I just sprinkled it out here. It's probably not the best place to leave tobacco. Someone's going to walk on it. I was told if you're not going to smoke the tobacco, you should sprinkle it like in a tree or a bush or just some place where, like, you can even sprinkle it on the water when you go fishing, or leave it. Sometimes people when they go deer hunting, they'll leave a little tobacco, sprinkle it on the deer. It's just an offering, but you don't want to just leave it on the sidewalk like this. Somebody's dog's going to come by and pee on it. That's not very respectful. But I don't know. I think tonight was the shortest night, or the shortest day of the year. I think I heard that somewhere. Is tonight the winter solstice? No, that's Christmas. What, it's got to be on the 25th? I don't know. I heard the bells on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day in the morning. I don't know. I can't remember the Christmas songs. I haven't been listening to TV much. I haven't been shopping. I forget what the Christmas songs. Do you see what I see? A star, shining in the night. La-di-da-di-da-di-di-dum. What's that one? What's that one Christmas song? I don't know. Well, maybe I should go in and see what old Natasha's doing. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What you doing? I was outside just saying a prayer. You want to come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. Hang on. Let's see. Scanning for your coordinates. All right. Lock it into your coordinates. Okay. Then that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. There he is. NANABOOZHOO. Hey, baby doll. What's going on? Not much. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha, the lovely and talented. BOOZHOO, Gakina. How's it going? Uh-oh. Now this is oh, it's nice in here. Oh yeah, I got the fire going. Yeah. Though the weather outside is frightful, the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it, what Zogipon is, it is snowing. What is, just snow? Goon. Oh yeah, goon. We are the goon squad and we're coming to town. Beep, beep. Ooh. Hey, Wissany is here, sweetie. No way, BOOZHOO, Wissany. BOOZHOO, Wissany. Let's get a gold star on the board for good old Wissany for being first in class. A classy Wissany. Joan's here, sweetie. Joan! BOOZHOO, Joan. Silver star for Joan. Mino Onigo Sheen, Joni. Mino Onigo, good evening, Joni. John Redcorn's here with a hoka. Hey, Mino Onigo Sheen, Gakina Aoya. And a bronze star for the fluent Ojibweist. John Redcorn. BOOZHOO, John, with a bronze star. Badlands is back, sweetie. Hey, Badlands. And of course, Diane. Hey, Diane. We miss you. Yeah, we do. Let's see. Hoka, hey. Redbird Indigenicause is back too, sweetie. No way. BOOZHOO, Redbird. BOOZHOO, Redbird. And, yeah. Let's see. What's the Ojibwe word of the day, sweetie? Well, it's Tuesday. Nijo Gija Good. Tuesday, the 4th day. What? The 4th day? Why is it the 4th day? It's the 2nd day. Yeah, it's the 2nd day, Michael. Oh, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Yeah, I think you were thinking of Neo Gija Good. Yeah. It's supposed to be 2nd day, but Michael, we don't ask you to do much. I know, I'm sorry. Leave him alone. Well, if he can't do his job, we might have to find somebody who can. Yeah, good luck. But today's Tuesday. But more importantly, yesterday we were talking about Manuman, wild rice, and Zasakokwan, fry bread. Fry bread, sweetie. Yeah. Today I would like to talk about the sacred bread of fry. the fry bread. Yeah. A lot of people think, oh yeah, that's a really traditional food. You want to be a real Indian, you got to eat fry bread. And, it is true. I'm going to kind of say two things. Yes, it is cultural, and no, it's not cultural. In a way, it's not cultural because fry bread is all European food. We got it after we started getting commodities from the government. The government? Yeah. I'm not even sure it's in flour, oil, sugar, butter, however you make fry bread. But at the same time, when do you start calling... There's not really a line in history where they went, okay, after this date, anything new introduced into Indian culture is no longer pure culture. Oh, that's not really an Indian thing. Yeah, well, fry bread definitely became part of our culture, became part of our diet and our food. And is as every bit as much traditional whatever food as Manuman, wild rice. And, but, did you hear about McDonald's? That they serve human beings? Yeah. They're finding human body parts in McDonald's food. And they've traced some of the DNA in its children's bodies. Oh, no. Yeah. When they say you don't want to know what goes into a sausage, well, you really don't. It can be human beings. But anyway. Why am I bringing that up? I don't know. Something about food and culture. I don't know. But then then there comes the word. Today is a Ojibwe word. Komadbod. The komadbod. This is the body one gets when you eat too many commodities. It makes you look like, it gives you a chicken body. You'll have skinny legs, big fat belly. You'll strut around like you're all that because, you got a kamad bod. Zasakokwan is fry bread. Manuman is wild rice. And these are just a couple of our traditional foods of the Anishinaabe. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You want to take a call? Well, Shirley. Shirley, you jest. I never jest, and don't call me Shirley. Yeah, sure, I'll take a call. Line 2? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hey, yo, NANABOOZHOO, it's me, Eric Core. Eric Core from KISS. Hey, Eric. Michael, it's Eric Carr. Hey, Eric, how you doing?
Hey, Mike, I'm doing pretty good. I mean, I'm dead. I'm still dead, but I'm rocking and rolling in heaven now.
Yeah, what can I do for you, Eric?
I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word for fox, because that's what I am. I'm the fox.
You're the fox? You know, we've talked about this. Aren't you more of the raccoon?
Well, I know I look like a raccoon, but I'm actually the fox. I was the fox. I replaced Peter Chris in Kiss for I was the fox.
Yeah, everybody remembers.
Yeah, but do they?
Yeah, we all remember. But yeah, let's see. Wagosh is the fox.
Yeah, well, gosh, fox. That's me, I was the fox in Kiss.
Yeah. But to me, I always kind of look like an AC bun. You always look like a little raccoon. AC bun.
AC bun, a raccoon. Do raccoons know how to rock and roll all night and party every day?
Well, yeah, I'm sure they do.
Well, then maybe I am a raccoon. I don't know. I just like to rock and roll.
Yeah, I know you do, buddy. Hey, did I hear you were joining David Bowie's band?
Yeah, I'm gonna be playing a few tracks on some new David Bowie songs. I'm playing in his band up here in heaven.
That's cool.
Yeah, it was really cool. I never would have had the opportunity when I was in Kiss. When I was in Kiss, I replaced Peter Chris. He was the cat, but I was the fox.
Yeah, I know. All right. Anything else I can do for you today, Eric?
Well, how do you say goodbye in Kiss? Listen to me, I got Kiss on the brain.
Yeah, I know you do.
How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say Gigawaba Min, Minowa. I will see you again.
Well, Gigawaba Min, Minowa. I will see you again. And hey, Mike!
Yeah, what?
Gigawaba Min, Minowa. You're still one of my baby foxes, aren't you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, all right. Let's rock and roll all night. Party every day. All right, we'll see you later. Gigawaba Min, Minowa.
Yeah, okay, Eric. What was that about? Oh, it was from that fan letter he responded to. Oh, yeah. Michael sent a fan letter when he was a kid to Eric Carr, and he wrote back. Yeah, and he signed it, you're now one of my baby foxes, be proud. He actually signed it, love and kisses, you are one of my baby foxes, be proud. Love and kisses? Yeah, like kiss. Okay. It's not gay, he was just being friendly. I didn't say anything. I'm just thinking Eric Carr might have been grooming you, that's all. Oh, hey, baby doll. No. What else is going on today? Nipa, sleep. Sing me to sleep. I don't wanna wake up. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. Is that the Smiths? I think so. Gosh Gozy, wake up. Nipa, sleep. Good night. Sleep tight. Weren't we going to do good night? Yeah. Mino dibakad. Good night. Kawishimo, go to bed. Hey, you kids. Look what time it is. It's already 8:45. Your mother and I need some quiet time. Go to bed. Kawishimo. I'm practicing when we have kids. I'm going to send them to bed really early. That's a good idea. When we have kids, I'm going to be like that weirdo, like an Amish dad. I won't let them watch TV. No TVs in your bedroom. No doors on your bed, whatever. We're going to live together in like old style, like in a lodge. But I'll be like, hey, it's time to go to bed. Gawishimo. Go on now. That's another Ojibwe word. Go on now? Yeah. Go on now. G apostrophe WAN Guan OW. Go on now. That means Go on now. I guess. Common phrase on the reservation. Go on now. Me no deep but good. Good night. I said good night. Remember that time on our first date? What? When you tried to come in for a kiss and I pushed you away, I was like, I said good night. You did not. You forget yourself, madam. This is only our first date. I do not kiss on the first date. You didn't say that. Yeah, I know. I said, Goishimo da. Let's go to bed. Goishimo. Go to bed. Goishimo da. Let's. Is that right? Yep. Goishimo da. Let's go to bed. Oh. Let me put my arms around your hair. Around your head. Tears start. Let's go to bed. Don't forget to turn off the light. Don't laugh, babe, it'll be all right. Pour me out another phone. I'll ring and see if your friends are home. Perhaps a strange one under the dome can lend us a book we can read up alone. Did he actually sing Under the Dome? I don't know. You might have been making that up. I want to believe David Bowie knew we had a dome over our head. But I don't know. Me no di but good. Good night. Goishimo, go to bed. If you want to have, there's my advice to parents. Yes, it's true, I don't have any kids. That doesn't mean I don't have any opinions. If you want to have a nice, balanced life, the best thing you can do for your children, number one, is to show them how much you love their mom. Number two, you cannot love their mom if your kids stay up all hours of the night. They got to go to bed so you can get your romance on. Or whatever. Send your kids to bed. Tell them, me no di but good. Mommy and daddy love you. But now it's lights out. Go to bed. Go to sleep. Nipa. If I got to come up here one more time, I'm cracking skulls. I'd also be like super strict if I was a dad. I'd be like the principal in the Breakfast Club. If I got to come back in here, I'm cracking skulls. Excuse me, dear. Nipa is to sleep. Goshkozi is to wake up. And these are just a few of our Ojibwe phrases and words of the day. Hey, sweetie, you want to take a call? Oh, sure. On line 2? On line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hey there, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, President Zelensky. Well, hey, President Zelensky. Sweetie, it's the president of Ukraine. Well, hi there, President Zelensky. Hi there, Natasha. I was just, watching your show, learning the Ojibwe language, and I was hanging out with my buddy Sean Penn. Yeah, you guys. He called in yesterday. How is he? Oh, he's really tough. He's cool. I don't know. I like him. You want to say hi to him? Not really. Here, hang on. Hey, Sean. Would you like to talk to NANABOOZHOO?
Yeah, I want to talk to him. I got a few things to say. Uh-oh. Hello, NANABOOZHOO. How you doing?
Hello, Sean Penn.
Yeah, listen. I've been watching your show. And, you make a lot of jokes. You make light of a lot of things, and that's really great. I'm really glad you're teaching the language and all that. But let me tell you something. It ain't all jokes. Life is very serious, and we're living in serious times. And I'm here. I'm just trying to do what I can to save lives. To save lives and to free the Ukrainian people. In fact, you might have noticed I gave President Zelensky a gold trophy there. That's going to help in the war because I'm Sean Penn. But you better, I'm telling you, you got to rein it in. You make too many jokes. It ain't funny anymore. It just ain't funny.
Hey, will you say, what's a line from Fast Times? Gnarly, dude. Can you say gnarly, dude?
No, I'm not going to quote my movies. That's not what I am. I'm a serious person now. I'm here to fight the war and to free the Ukrainian people from the tyranny of the that other country.
Russia?
Yeah, whatever. Is that who we're fighting?
I think so. Although I did bomb Poland.
Shut up about that. They don't need to know about that. We were trying to make the Russians look like that.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't find Russia on a map if I tried.
Listen, it's not funny. What we're doing here is very serious, and I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't make so many jokes.
Yeah, okay. How'd you like to learn an Ojibwe word of the day?
I don't get time to learn Ojibwe. I'm here trying to save lives and free the people. But okay, what's one Ojibwe phrase?
I feel like we did this yesterday. Yeah, I think we did. Niba is sleep.
Niba, sleep. Yeah, while you sleep, some of us are fighting a war. I think the people need to wake up. How do you say wake up in Ojibwe?
We say goshkozi. Hold on. Oh, man. There's some lunatic outside screaming. I gotta go check this out. Hey, Sean, I gotta let you go.
Hey, you want me to come over? I'm Sean Penn. I could fight him.
Nah, you're in the Ukraine. Here's one more phrase. I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa.
Yeah, Gigawabamin Minawa. I'll see you again, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah, there's some lunatic just running around, screaming at the top of his head on the street. Here's a song. I'm going to check it out, sweetie. Sweetie, would you mind singing a song for the people? Sure, I'll sing a song. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha. Let me see. Colors and promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer, I One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Well, I don't see him anywhere. I guess he's... just a random lunatic wandering the streets, 9 o'clock at night, Bemidji, on a snowy, otherwise peaceful, I mean, I'm very sorry. I guess I'm not that sorry. We're supposed to be so sorry. Oh, mental illness, yeah. But when your mental illness is scaring the kids in the neighborhood, I mean, come on, dude. Get it together. You can't just, whatever is causing you to be stumbling around, raging, you need to shut up. But I don't see him out here. I was ready to fight him if I had to, I know karate. Well, I don't know like how to do karate, but I've seen the Karate Kid like 5 times. So, I'm not afraid. I'll just do the crane pose and then, But that's the only bad thing about Bemidji. And we're not the worst town with it, but we do have wandering, what looks like homeless people who appear crazy. Just a few every day, walk down my street. Sometimes I see like guys with girls. Guys with a big backpack of crap. Winter jacket in the summer. Some kid's little kid bike. He's biking in long pants. And he'll have like a girlfriend with him. I'm like, how in the world did you get a girlfriend? You don't even have a house. But there's somebody for everybody, I guess. Even the homeless Joes. There was a bank robbery in Bemidji today. What's going on? Somebody robbed a bank over by, Target and Marketplace Foods. Bank robber. I don't know the details, but apparently it robbed the bank and then ran in. They were like, cops were like, have you seen a guy who... And I think the guy might have worked for UPS. Cops were looking for a guy dressed in UPS outfit. I'm like, did a UPS driver rob a bank? They got a pretty good getaway car there. Just drive off in your brown van, slip away, then they don't know which one it is. We're looking for a UPS truck. Well, okay. There are dozens out on the road right now. Joan says, I could tell you stories. You should see Hamilton.
It's weird when there's not a guy walking around screaming. You notice it when there's not one of these screaming Walking Dead zombies. Gee, what happened to all the weirdos? Doesn't feel like home without the gentle screamings in the background. Ah! This guy was just screaming scary. He's not just scaring the kids, it's scaring the grown-ups. But whatever. I hope this guy knows Santa Claus is watching. You know? You're on thin ice, buddy. He knows when you've been sleeping. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good, for goodness sakes. But oh, Christmas, ding dong, Christmas. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. And the snow is falling on the ground. Yeah, yeah, it's Christmas time. Now I've turned into one of these weirdos out in the street, scaring the neighbors. Right now there's like, he's back, calling the cops. Yeah, there's somebody outside. He's singing Christmas songs. He thinks he's Elvis. Oh, well, I better go back in. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. You ready to come back? Yeah. Did you get him? No, he's gone. Okay. All right, hang on. One to teleport. Make it so, number one. Okay. Here I come to save the day. Hey, it's Mighty Mouse. That's right. No sign of the weirdo? Nope, he's gone. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for looking. Yeah, I'm not sure what I would have done if you... Beg your pardon, sir. I noticed you were screaming into the air at invisible men. I'm going to ask him if he needs help. Would you like some help? Because what? What if he said, yeah, I want a cup of coffee. Let me in your house. Yeah. I'd be like, oh, I'm all out of coffee, sorry. I don't believe in caffeine. But yeah, no, I couldn't find him. Oh, okay. Oh, well. Pretty exciting, huh? Yeah, it is. Here I come. Is there an Ojibwe word for karaoke? What's the Ojibwe word for karaoke? Let's see. Nagamoda? Let's drum? Let's sing? Let's sing? I don't know what karaoke means in English. Here I come to save the day. You want to get up here and say hello to your many adoring fans? Yeah. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. But first, here's a very special treat. Special guest, Paul Stanley of Kiss. I should have told Eric that Paul Stanley was going to be on the show. This is Ooh La 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 La. What a price to pay. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. He's only human. You make mistakes too. You tell him, Paul.
People. Now, no matter whether you're with other people or you're home alone, you're not really alone because all of us are in this together.
That's right, Paul.
And music can bring us that much closer together. And when we sing, we're definitely a group. So don't be shy. It's going to feel really good. Here's what we want you to do. We'll sing it for you. It goes like this. You go.
Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Thank you, Paul. That was great. Ooh, baby, baby. I love that song. Yeah. Well done, Paul. You sang really good, Natasha. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley. How you doing, everybody? Yeah. Ooh, baby, baby. I'm just a baby. BOOZHOO Gakina Awaya. Hello, everybody. What have we learned today so far? We learned that Michael thinks Tuesday means the fourth day. Hey, I already apologized for that. No, I'm just teasing. We also learned Manuman is wild rice. Zasakokwan is fry bread. And we also learned Mino Dibakad. Good night, sleep tight, and may your dreams come true. Go Ishimo, go to bed. Go to bed now. Go on now. Your father and I have some very serious things to discuss. Yeah, I can totally see us doing that. Go Ishimo, go to bed. Give me that. I'm taking your phone. Why did we ever buy him a phone in the first place? He's 6 years old. He's got nobody to call. Mino Dibakad. Good night. Then we also learned Niba is sleep. Goshkozi is to wake up. And we learned that Wagosh is a fox, like Eric Carr. And AC Bun is a raccoon. AC bun. There's the phone running out of battery. Where's a picture of our AC bun? Just cute. AC bun. Remember, E's are A sounding like in the word Ojibwe. AC bun is a sacred brother to the Anishinaabe. They're cousins. I come from the raccoon clan.
Is there a raccoon clan?
No, I don't think so. AC bun. I'm sure there's some old... Is there an Ojibwe story how raccoon got his mask or something?
Yeah, probably. I don't know what it is, though.
Did he become a ward of Bruce Wayne?
Yeah, his parents died in a weird circus accident. And so he went to live with Batman, and Batman gave him a mask and called him Robin.
I knew it. I knew something like that. But if you'd like to support the show, click the links in the description down below. We have a Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe page. And Michael has books for sale. Ojibwe language books and comics by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, at Amazon.com. The other day we talked about Mixed Blood. It was a kind of a Christmas Halloween story about a biracial girl. But my favorite Michael Lyons book is Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. On sale now at Amazon.com. If you sign up on, Patreon, we'll send you a copy of Ojibwe Words and Phrases. Or you could just order it online too.
Yep.
There's only, what's today? Today must be the 19 shopping days left till Christmas. Have you bought my Christmas present yet?
No, I haven't even thought about it.
How dare you? I knitted you mittens.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks. That's what I need. A pair of mittens made out of yarn.
Isn't that the worst gift ever? I'm sorry, everybody who's ever knitted me something. But if you've knitted something and... Yeah, I'm thinking of you, Grandma. Nobody wants to wear scratchy old yarn anything. We don't want to wear a yarn scarf. You know, you've got... What's your scarf made out of?
That's that fancy... What is that called?
Is that not a cardigan? What's that called?
Yeah, it's the fancy stuff made from a yak or something.
Is it a, see, this is how trashy we are.
I don't even know what it's called. I'm trying to look at where's the tag?
That's people make sweaters out of it. It's supposed to be really fancy.
Yeah.
Cashmere, thank you. Joan just told me. Is that a cashmere sweater or scarf?
It is a cashmere scarf, thank you.
Cashmere, see? We're fancy like that. We don't want to wear your nasty old orange and red yarn knitted scarf. They look terrible. Nobody's ever been honest with their friends. The scarves are itchy. They don't keep you warm, and they look terrible. And then the mittens. Don't get me started on the mittens. Why would you wear something that is so not waterproof? You get them wet for a second. They stay wet for the rest of the day. It's just yarn. They don't keep you warm. I don't know. Is this why everybody makes jokes about how dumb Norwegians are?
What?
You know how, they never make jokes about how smart Norwegians are? It's always, oh, the Norwegian This is a Norwegian coffee maker. It must be dumb or whatever. That's because they're racist against Norwegians. It's actually the Polish that are supposed to be stupid. Oh, yeah, Polak jokes. Is it still racist to call somebody a Polak? Totally. Oh, sorry. But is that why? Because they're big into knitting, aren't they? Yeah, they still love to knit in Norway. And they ski everywhere. Knitting and skiing. It's a very curious people. Yeah, it is. Do you think anybody ever actually wore snowshoes? Well, they say we did, but it seems totally impractical to wear a snowshoe. I think it'd be a lot easier just to wrap up your feet in a boot and walk in the snow. I know. I've tried to walk in snowshoes and you go, this is stupid. This is harder than walking in skis, which is also kind of stupid. Oh, everything's just so stupid. I must be tired. What do you think, baby doll? Should we call it a show? I'm thinking about it. Do we have anyone on the line? Sylvester Stallone's on the line. Won't put him on. He's on line 2. Okay. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hey, yo, Natasha. It's me, the Italian stallion.
Well, hi, Rocky.
Yeah, you can call me Sly.
Well, hello, Sly. What can I do for you?
I was watching the show, it's a really good show tonight. I realized some really good music, and I learned some Ojibwe language. How do you say that word again?
Which one's that?
Oh, I don't know. How to sleep?
Nipa.
Niba, sleep. And then to wake up?
Is gosh cozy.
Gosh cozy to wake up. I gotta wake up really early. I'm gonna go to sleep here pretty quick. Because when I get up in the morning,
yeah,
I like to drink a glass of eggs and then go for a run.
Yeah, I know. That's a great scene in that movie. Do you still do that?
Oh yeah, it's a delicious and nutritious breakfast.
Is it really? That nutritious? That seems like a lot of cholesterol.
Yeah, but it's the good cholesterol. And if you run, and then you run, and then you run, and then you jump up and down, then that's okay, because then you're working off that. So yeah, you can drink a glass of eggs, but you gotta run, and then you might have to go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed.
Well, I don't want to go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed. But yeah. So how's everything else? Are you adjusting to being a bachelor again?
Oh yeah, you heard about that, huh?
Yeah, I heard that you were getting a divorce.
Oh, that's right. I guess she had enough of the Italian stallion. I came home one time. I was like, hey, I got a new puppy. And she was like, no dogs. And I said, oh, come on, he's my pup. He's my best friend. And she said, I don't want a dog. If you're going to have that dog, you're the one who's going to have to clean up after him, but it will be me. And so it's either the dog goes or I go. And then I said, okay, well, I'll miss you. And she was gone.
Really? You guys broke up over the dog?
Well, that, and she also wanted to take millions of dollars with her she wanted to take all the profits from all my Rocky movies. But then, you can't let life get you down. Listen, Natasha.
Yeah?
I'm going to tell you something you already know.
What's that?
Life, it ain't all sunshine and roses.
I know.
I don't care how tough you are. You, me, nobody's going to hit harder than life. And it'll knock you down to your knees and keep you there if you let it.
I know.
But it ain't about how hard you can hit. It's about whether or not you can take the hits and then keep moving forward.
Yeah.
You gotta be able to take the hits and keep moving forward.
Why?
'Cause that's how winning's done.
Okay. Listen, Sly, I better get going.
Oh, yeah, okay. That was from one of my movies.
I know, huh?
Hey, listen, I'm gonna tell you something you already know.
What's that?
Gigawaba min, mina wa. I will see you again, Natasha.
Well, Gigawaba min, mina wa, Sly. I sure hope so.
Yeah, forget about it.
Sylvester Stallone. He's so cool. I know, huh? Gigawa man, Minawa. And maybe it's time we should wrap it up. Yeah, okay. You want to add anything? No, that's good. All right. Hey, Mama, say the way you move. Hey, everybody. Just want to say from the bottom of my cold, dead heart. No. Miigwech bisandamieg. Thank you for listening. And miigwech gonawabieg. Thank you so much for watching our little show called BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This is Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. This is NANABOOZHOO, the star of the show. Okay, miigwech. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. How? And just like that, we're off the air.